Why is the vaginal area darker in color? Welcome back to my channel, guys. I've brought a really interesting and important topic today. It is, why is the vaginal area darker in color? This question is one of the most asked questions among women, and I've came here with good answers. So stay tuned and watch till the end to find out. Now let's start the conversation with the color of a vagina. Well, there's no normal color for a vagina, vulva, or anus. Darkening of the genital area is usually not a health concern. The color of a vagina can vary from woman to woman and can change over time, and here are some examples. 1. Skin tone. The color of the vulva is often a shade of red, pink, or burgundy, but it can vary based on skin tone. 2. Hormonal factors. Genetics and hormonal factors can influence the color of the labia majora, which are the outer folds of tissue surrounding the vaginal opening. 3. Age. Melanocytes naturally increase in the genital areas with age. For pregnancy hormones increase blood flow to the pelvic area, which can cause the labia, vulva, vagina, or cervix to turn a bluish-purple color. This is known as Chadwick's sign. 5. Friction or rubbing. Excessive friction or rubbing of tissues can also result in an increase of melanocytes and darkening of the genital areas. Other factors that can affect the color of the vulva include puberty, sexual intercourse, and arousal. The genital area is usually darker than other skin on the body because of the higher concentration of melanocytes, the cells that produce melanin. This is normal and can be due to a number of factors, including: Number 1. Hormonal changes. Estrogen levels increase during puberty and pregnancy, which can cause the genital area to darken. Hormonal fluctuations that occur with aging can also cause darkening. Number 2. Friction. Wearing tight clothing or underwear can cause friction in the genital area. Number 3. Shaving. Shaving too often can cause irritation and chemical reactions as new hair grows back. Number 4. Sun exposure. Sun exposure can cause skin darkening and hyperpigmentation. Number 5. Sweat. Sweat contains chemicals that can affect the color of the skin. However, if you want to lighten the area, there are safe options available, such as topical bleaching. There are some good treatments as well. Here are some treatments available for dark vaginal skin. 1. Vaginal bleaching. A procedure that uses chemical peels, topical creams, or lasers to lighten the skin of the vulva. This procedure is not intended to treat the internal vaginal canal. 2. Laser vaginal lightening. A non-surgical, low-risk procedure that uses a laser to lighten the pigmentation of the vaginal skin. The procedure is performed under local anesthesia and is painless. 3. Chemical peels. A course of chemical peels can be recommended to achieve the best results. You should start to notice changes after the first session. 4. Lemon and glycerin. Mix equal parts lemon and glycerin, apply to the area, and leave on for about 15 minutes. Do not use this remedy if you have open cuts or skin infections. Medical organizations like the ACOG do not support cosmetic procedures for the female genitalia due to the risks and lack of evidence for their safety and effectiveness. It's important to seek a medical evaluation before attempting to treat dark spots on the vagina. Well, this is all for today's video, and I hope our video acknowledged you. Make sure to like and subscribe to our channel, and don't forget to hit the notification bell so that you won't miss our next upcoming videos. Comment down below about the questions that you want to know. Thank you so much for watching, and see you next time.